Hello, everyone. Planning your data engineering career, hiring data talent for your team, finishing your degree or a recent graduate? This is a quick announcement to invite you to our first annual Data Engineer Salaries webinar on September 22nd. You can find the registration link in the video description, where you can learn more about the presentation and sign up. Our 2021 Data Engineer Salary Report will be coming out next week. So we'll be hosting a live webinar to go over the data and hiring market insights. The data engineering field continues to accelerate and is experiencing unprecedented growth as businesses focus significant efforts on building out their data teams. Our report on data engineering shares our latest data on salaries, the hiring market, developing trends, and everything you need to know about where this space is headed. So make sure to register using the link in the description if you want first access to this year's data. And feel free to submit your questions for us using the field on the registration page. The recording will be posted here on our YouTube channel after the live event, but you can register for the webinar to get a link to download the free salary report as soon as it's available. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you at the webinar.